SLACKROBATS here. How's it going? You guys ready to train? We got 1 step forward, 2 steps back for you today. So here's the ground exercise. We're gonna get with it. Take a step with your right foot and turn. Step with the right foot and turn. Do that exercise on both sides. Step with the left and turn. Step with the left and turn. Notice when I'm turning so that my hips open up. Okay? Take a step and I open my hips up to exposure. Take a step, open the hips up. That'll be a repeat process through all the progressions. All right, let's take it to the line. 1 step forward. So take a step with the left, turn. Take a step with the left, turn. Now with turning, there's a couple different ways you can turn here. Take a step, put the weight into the front foot, pivot the back foot, put the weight in the back foot, pivot the front foot, weight in the left foot, pivot the front, boom. Now that's slow, but it's controlled. Another way you can do it, take a step to the left, come up onto the tippy toes, so to speak, on both feet, and pivot at the same time. Tippy toes on both feet, pivot all the way around. Okay? Now you do that on both sides, so do it with your right, turn, take a step with the right, turn. You get the idea. Moving on to progression 2. 2 steps back, turn. 1, 2, turn. Again, the hips open up to exposure. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, turn. Do that a couple times, just get it in the body, and then take it to the slack line. Woo! Quick adjustments, huh? Okay, so we're gonna be going backwards, that's why. Here we go. 1 step, 2 step, turn. 1 step, 2 step, turn. 1 step, 2 step, turn. Practice that a few times, that's progression 2. And then, as you know we like to do, we're gonna put them together for progression 3. 1 step forward, turn, 2 steps back, turn. 1 step forward, turn, 2 steps back, turn. On the slack line, here we go. Progression 3, 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Fun thing about this is it helps you train your turns, your turnaround, woo, and it also gets you across the slack line. Trying to back up here we go. Okay. 1 step forward, turn, the hips open to exposure, 2 steps back. Hips open to exposure. 1 step forward, turn. 2 steps back, 1, 2, turn. 1 step forward. Notice it makes you work your turnarounds on both sides. Fun little exercise. Try it, send us your videos. We want to see it. Keep on training, SLACKROBATS. Till next time.